Let me save you 12 months of nonsense. If you think affiliate marketing in 2026 is about posting links and waking up rich, my dear, pause the video, go drink some water, and come back with something we call humility. Okay? Because the people making money online right now are doing the most boring things, but in a very consistent manner. And nobody on Instagram or TikTok is showing you that part. Don't you think that's suspicious, right? Hi, I'm Miss Muithathi, a creator, an entrepreneur, and a mom. If my content has ever given you value, made you laugh, made you think, or even saved you from financial stupidity, consider buying me a coffee. Every coffee helps in keeping and maintaining this channel. Now, let's talk affiliate marketing, the real kind. Stay with me. Let's start with the lie that everyone is being sold. I'm sure you've come across this. Affiliate marketing being sold as, you go post a link, sleep, and wake up rich. Laptop on the beach, your hair blowing. African hair doesn't blow. And your bills magically disappearing. Reality? You post a link, your cousin clicks it, nobody buys, and you keep refreshing analytics like it owes you money. And then after a few days, you quit. Huh? You give up. Let me tell you something. Affiliate marketing in 2026 is not about creativity. It's also not aesthetics. It's not about soft life fonts and beige or turquoise thumbnails. No. It's more of systems, okay? Trust and patience that would humble a monk. Yes, it's unsexy, but it is effective. Now, you have to pick a lane or stay broke. This is where you actually get to choose a niche. Most people self-sabotage here. And this is because you'll find them today, they're promoting skincare, tomorrow, crypto, the other day, Amazon gadgets, online courses, and even on Wild Times, weight loss tea. All on the same page. I'm sure you've seen these people. My question is, who is trusting that? But you see one topic, you already talk about it without forcing it. Home office tools, budgeting, side hustles, digital products, debt recovery. Yes, I see you. If you're here because your finances are chaotic, by the way, my chaos-proof monthly system exists for a reason. You can find it in the links below. That thing is built for people whose money actively feels like it's always fighting them. Anyway, let's get back to the lane. You need to have a niche, and your niche must have 3 things. You care, people already spend money there, and you can talk about it for a whole year without hating your life. That's it. Now, let's go to your home base. Talk of platform reality check. You do know you need a place, like one place, on the internet or online that belongs to you. I hope you know that. Not many, one. Not YouTube and TikTok and a podcast and a blog and threads and burnout. No. You need to choose based on honesty. You hate writing? Don't start a blog. Please, save yourself. You hate being on camera? Stop lying to yourself. You love talking like some people? YouTube is waiting. You see blogs? They age like wine. Videos, on the other hand, age like milk, but build trust fast. But you see emails, having an email list, now those are quiet assassins. And yes, emails still work in 2026. All things that make money always get called outdated. Funny pattern. So, if you're building online income and still mentally chaotic about money, my Building Wealth in 12 Months ebook is linked below. That thing is not motivational, it is structural. When you get it, read it slowly. Now, let's talk about where the money comes from. These affiliate programs. Let's talk links. We have 3 doors. Door 1, direct brand programs. They come with higher commissions, harder approval, but worth it. Door 2, affiliate networks like Share a Sale or Rakuten. It is convenient, mixed quality, and still very solid. Door 3, I'm sure you've heard of this one, Amazon Associates. Disadvantage, it has lower commissions, but high trust with easy entry. My advice to you is start with 1 or 2 programs. And this is because too many links equals confusion and zero data. And please, promote things that you yourself would buy with your own money. Okay? Work with things that you believe in, or products that you actually can use, or, I'm sure you get what I mean. So if it feels like a scam to you, that means it will feel like a scam to them. So promote things that you believe in. Now, let's talk about content that converts, not that salesy nonsense. Your job is not selling. Your job is helping. Understand this. People buy from clarity, not pressure. So instead of telling people buy this now, say something like, this is what I used. Or this is what worked. This is what didn't. Here's who it's for. And here is who should stay away from it. Baby, honesty converts like witchcraft. And don't forget to disclose your affiliate links. Always. Trust, in this instance, compounds faster than commissions. By the way, if your mindset around money is cooked, my $3 money script prompts exists so that you stop sabotaging yourself mentally while trying to build your income. Link below. Cheapest therapy you'll find. Now, to the boring part that makes you money. Of course, data. This is where adults separate from dreamers. Check which videos gets more clicks. Check which links convert. Also check which content brings buyers and not applause. And this is because you see those likes, they don't pay school fees or rent. But sales do. When you find what works, keep repeating that. Improve on it and ignore vanity metrics. Affiliate marketing is not loud, it's repetitive. And that repetition builds income quietly. Let's talk numbers without being delusional. You see affiliate commissions, they pay per sale or per lead. Average affiliate income sits around $56,000 a year. That's roughly 7.3 million Kenyan shillings. That's average. So there's no viral moment and no screaming thumbnails for YouTubers. Okay. High ticket lesson, real quick. You see, selling one $1,000 product, that's about 130 Kenya shillings, at 5% beats selling 10 cheap items all day. Baby, math is ruthless. So you better learn it early. If you want to build digital income intentionally, my instant hustle manual is linked below. It's not cute, but it is practical. So here are your fast real moves. First and foremost, no overthinking. Validate your niche. Google it. If people are competing, that means money exists. Pick one platform and commit. Apply to 1 or 2 programs and start tracking results. At the end of the day, make a decision to show up. even when nobody is clapping for you, especially then. Let me leave you with this. Affiliate marketing in 2026 will reward discipline, not noise. If you stay consistent while others choose to chase shortcuts, you win by default. And if this video helped you see the game more clearer, support the channel. Buy me coffee. Every coffee keeps this content alive. Now go out there and build something boring but profitable. I'm Miss Muithathi, and I'll see you in my next video.